I have the hiccups. I hate having the hiccups, but I'm pretty mellow about it. A little hair disaster today. Mommy tried to blow dry my hair and it didn't go so well. So now I look like a mad punk rocker. Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy. How you doing? Hi. Any chance we're going to smile through the hiccups? Nope. You're still pretty cute, though. Can you say hi? I've had lots of smiles today, but it's a little hard with the hiccups.